Hi guys, Anis here. I hope you are doing well. I'm not used to be on this side of camera, but I wanted to share with you quick updates on what's happening with my Ducati and most importantly the orders I have on different options, and I'm still waiting to be delivered. It's been 2 months, almost 3 months since I received my Ducati DesertX. It was in the mid of July, with almost 2 months late. It was supposed to be there mid of May, later than what was supposed to be. But I had a couple of options that I have ordered at the same time. We are mid of October, almost end of the October, and I haven't received any yet. And I'm going to my trip to Morocco in less than 10 days, 9 days from here. And so I called my dealer, and even though I know it's not their fault, they are, depending on when Ducati is shipping stuffs to them, they still don't have any answer. So I have a couple of kits that I have purchased. So I have the off-road kit that contains crush guard, the reinforced squid plate, hand guards, and some other stuff, obviously. But also I have ordered the rally kit with the additional tank at the rear of the motorbike, rally seat, and protections for the lights. So those two packs are more or less 3,000 euros. And on top of that, I had ordered also the GPS mount from Ducati from there, which is I think 320-ish or something like that euros. So I'm still waiting for more than 3,000 euros of options that I have ordered. When I'm speaking to my dealer, they don't know when it's going to happen. There's no dates. I was supposed to receive my off-road kit 10th of October, and now when I call them, it's still dates are moving. They don't have any visibility. The worst part is that rally kit Ducati is announcing, or in their machine or software, they are saying it's going to be delivered end of December, which is just I can't understand. I don't understand how it's possible that Ducati is selling a motorbike, and they are making us customers who are paying big money for this bike and all of these options, waiting this long and without any visibility. So bottom line, I'm really pissed off, and I'm canceling all my orders and kits. So rally off-road kit, the GPS mount, I'm canceling these, and I'm going to replace them with options that are out there that you can find on the internet, and other companies that are making stuff, and weirdly they are capable to deliver them quite quickly. So I'm still 9 days to my trip to Morocco. So I hope at least that I will get my hand guards, bark busters hand guards on time to install them. I found one in shop in Italy online that has these, so I have ordered them. And also I'm replacing the GPS mount on the motorbike on Ducati GPS mount by the Evotech GPS mount. I used to have these on my both Multistrada that I had before these. Great stuff, really really well built. Not perfect because with the vibration and all the impacts that you get, the GPS are usually falling through the time or changing the position. So even if you tight them very strongly, it still moves and goes. But anyway, they were able to ship me their GPS mount in less than a couple of days, which is awesome and really great. So I'm going to try to find these pieces, at least bare minimum for this trip, and I will see afterwards, coming back from Morocco, what else I can find or what else is going to be on the market by that time. I also ordered the water pump protection, and I also hope I will receive this one before my departure. Probably should be also quickly because the shop is in Italy. I will put the links in the comments and below, so you will be able to go there, and if you're interested, you can shop them. Or that's a long story short. I'm really pissed off. I'm canceling all my stuff because I love this bike. This bike is just amazing, but I'm still I don't understand how Ducati can allow us wait this much for to get delivered the options or kits they are building. Anyway, stay tuned. I will put also the videos on the on my channel of me mounting all these pieces, so you can see how it looks. And obviously stay tuned for my next adventure coming again very quickly in Morocco, where we are going to spend with my friend Pep 10 days riding all the off-road, at least at minimum 90% off-road in Morocco, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell button to be noticed when new videos are coming. Keep safe.